Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Ready Mix Concrete Patch. First, prepare your repair area by thoroughly cleaning it. Remove all loose debris, dirt, and any crumbling concrete. Use a chisel to create a stable, sound base for your patch. Make sure the area is completely free of oil, grease, or standing water. Finally, lightly dampen the repair area. This helps the new patch bond effectively with the existing concrete, ensuring a strong and lasting repair. Next, let's talk about mixing. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the water mix ratios very precisely. Using a clean bucket and a sturdy mixing tool, combine the ingredients. Mix thoroughly until the concrete patch reaches a uniform, workable consistency, similar to thick oatmeal. It's crucial to avoid adding too much water, as this can significantly weaken the final repair and compromise its durability. Proper mixing is key to a strong bond. Now for the application. Using a trowel, firmly apply the mixed patch into the prepared area. Make sure to press the material down well to eliminate any air pockets and ensure excellent adhesion to the existing concrete. If your repair is deeper than about 1 inch, it's best to build up the patch in multiple, thinner layers. Finally, smooth the surface to match the surrounding concrete texture, creating a seamless and professional finish. The final, crucial step is curing. Keep the patched area moist for at least 3 to 7 days. This is vital for the concrete to gain maximum strength. You can achieve this by covering the repair with plastic sheeting or a damp burlap sack. Protect the patch from heavy foot traffic and extreme temperatures during this initial curing period. For optimal durability, allow the patch to fully cure for 28 days before subjecting it to heavy use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.